So here we're asked to solve an equation involving a sine. So we're given sine of 2x is 0.35. And we're given a range of values for x from 0 to 360. So the first thing you do is, because you don't have x in the question, you have 2x, find what the range for 2x would be. So 2x is twice x, so you double the 360 and you double the 0. So this is our new range. So if you know that sine of 2x equals 0.35, the first thing you want to do is to find 2x. And we do that by taking the inverse sine of both sides of the equation. So that removes the sine, and then we find the inverse sine of 0.35. So we can do that easily with the calculator, and that's our primary or our principal solution. So that's our first solution, x1. But there are more values. Because we have this huge range between 0 and 720 for 2x, there are more values. So this is our first solution. We need to find the others. So whenever you have a sine, once you know your first solution, your second solution is 180 minus your first solution. So we can find our second solution, 2x2, is 180 minus the first solution. So now we have solution number 1, solution number 2. But there's probably more, because we can keep going until 720. So after you've found the first and second solution, you can add 360 to each one of these. And that should give you your third and fourth solution. So if you add 360 to this, you get that. And that's your third solution. And you can add 360 to your second solution, and that'll give you your fourth solution. Now, you can't go any further. If you add 360 to this or to that, you'll go over the 720. So we stop at 4. Now you know there are 4 solutions. We need to find x1, x2, x3, and x4. And we do that by simply dividing by 2. So you divide each of these by 2, and that'll give you x1, x2, x3, and x4. You write your solution in the end like this: x equals, and you can give the solutions one by one: 10.3, 79.8, 190.3, and 259.8. So 1, 2, 3, 4 solutions. You should expect 4 solutions because you have a period of 360 and you have sine 2x. So that's 2 complete periods of the sine wave. Now you can check your answers fairly easily because you know what the equation is, and you can simply take each of these values for x and you can insert it there, put this into your calculator and see if you get 0.35. Because we're working to 1 decimal point, you might not get 0.35, you might get 0.3489, but it'll be close enough. So you can check your answers one by one. Make sure you multiply them by 2. So that's how you would answer a question like that. I hope you found it